So guys, there's a woman in the Bible called the Shunamite. I don't know if you guys ever heard of the Shunamite woman. There are some people in the Bible that their character is so great that they don't really need a name. So she was from Shunem, and you can find her in 2 Kings chapter 4 down there. So she was a rich woman. She had a husband, and she met up with the prophet Elisha. Not Elijah, Elisha. He came after Elijah. So him and his servant Gehazi, they usually go to Mount Carmel to minister to people, spread the word. So she realized that they were always going, and she told her husband, let's build a room for them so they could come, abode, eat, sleep, and keep moving to preach the word. So her husband said sure. So they built a nice place for them, for the prophet Elijah to stay, Elisha and his servant. And so Elisha, who is a mighty prophet that does miracles, remember Elijah that came before him transferred his anointing to Elisha to continue the work, because Elijah, remember, he was in a cave, he got depressed, so he asked the Lord to take him earlier. After Jezebel done whooped him, he got tired. So Elijah got to her house after many visits, and he basically, paraphrasing, so, woman of God, you've been very good to me. What can I do to bless you? So I see you're a rich woman, you pretty much have everything you need. And he said to her, how come you don't have any children? So she was like, if it was the Lord's will, he would have given me children. So I guess her womb was barren. So Elijah put a blessing on her, opened up her womb, and she had a beautiful son. Okay, so she adored this little boy, and somehow he died. And she was very upset. So she left him in his room, laid him down. She went to her servant immediately, and she didn't even tell her husband. She was a woman of powerful faith. So instead of telling her husband that her son died, she kept it to herself. And her husband's like, where you going, in a rush? Because she asked the servant to get the donkey ready so she could go to see Elisha, because she wants to go to Elijah to ask him, I was over here with my husband enjoying myself, and I was content. So you came and you opened my womb, you gave me a son, you made me love him, and then you're gonna kill him? Like, you have some explaining to do. So she was on her way to ask Elijah, what's the story? But she had so much faith that she felt that her going immediately to see Elisha was so that he could rise her son from the dead, because he's a mighty prophet. Because she's like, it's impossible for him to cause me so much pain when I was okay. You open up my heart, open up my womb, gave me a kid, then you take it away. How are you going to bless me and then curse me at the same time? So her husband said, woman, where are you going? And instead of her telling her husband that the kid is dead, you know what she said to him? It is well. Okay? So anytime anybody called me or text me and I'm going through the fire, I'm going through something terrible, I say to them, it is well. You ain't got to tell everybody your business. Just say it is well. Because your own tongue, you could speak a curse over that situation that's not dead. It may look dead in the physical, but you speaking death over it, you kill it. You understand? So she was like, it is well. So she was speaking as if it were done already. Okay? So she got the donkey with her servant, went to see Elijah. She's like, how are you going to take my beloved kid away from me after you bless me. So Elijah came back to the house and he went up to the room and he laid on the boy and resurrected the boy. So that's a little word for the day. I adore this lady. First time I read it, I was like, wow, this lady is pretty cool. I like her. I like her. Yeah, so I just wanted to share that today. When you're going through the fire, don't use your own tongue to kill your blessing that's coming. Just hold on and speak. Speak it as if it was already done. Okay? Bless up.